Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to this session of class 5 English LIT, and the topic of discussion will be today chapter 3, that is Chinna's World. It is not China's World, okay? I knew that some of you might have read it China's World. It is Chinna's World. Okay? So before that, start this, take out a book, sit with your pencil and books open. Okay? Put the date here, today's date, whatever is the date today, put it, okay? And then write down CW and then sit with the pencil and start. Okay, this chapter is about a girl, okay, about a small child. His name is Chinna, and see what happens today. Okay, now pouring rain. It was a rainy day. Okay, lightning, बादल गरज रहे थे, thundering was there, great gust means push of wind, बहुत तूफान चल रहे थे. Okay, winds was blowing. It appears as if nature has drawn a special curtain, as if nature एक अलग रूप दिखा रहा था, that nature was showing its different face today. Okay, swirling water pools in the middle of the road. Okay, in the middle of the road there was filled with water, as you can see. Okay, it was raining so badly that day. A long line of vehicles was stuck in a jam, and in that rainy day there was a huge jam, traffic jam. Okay, a little dog swims across an overflowing drain clutching something in her mouth. A little puppy. So one saw that there was a dog, okay, who was holding a puppy in his mouth and he was running from that water. Okay, he was holding a puppy in his mouth, as you can see, and he was running in the water. Understood? He was saving his child. Okay. She climbs over the tiny dry of patch land on the other side. She puts down the little puppy. Okay, then what happened? What she was doing actually, she was taking one puppy, okay, and going to a place where there was no water, in a dry place, and putting that puppy there. And then again coming, again taking one puppy, crossing the water, and again going and keeping that puppy in the dry place. Okay, so this was going. एक puppy उठा रहा था, पानी से लेकर के जाके अच्छे जगह में रख रहा था. फिर it was all the people in the traffic jam, सभी was looking at that dog and they were feeling very happy and they were clapping also. देखो देखो कितना होशियार dog है. Understood? So they were clapping. Okay. In she dives again, swimming across to pick up another little pup. 7 times in all. Look into your books. 7 times in all, bringing 7 pups to a safer place. Okay, so what they were doing, 7 times the dog went, one by one, and brought 7 little puppies in a dry place from the water. Okay, everyone on the bus watches with bated breath. Everybody was holding their breath. सांस रोक के देख रहे थे. Understood? They cheer when she shakes herself dry and the final lap. So what dog क्या करता है जब भीग जाता है? It does not like this, and all the water comes out, no? So what happened was that everybody was looking, and then finally the dog completes her work, and then she dries her up. Understood? And everybody starts clapping to see that brave dog. Okay. Crash! A motorcycle turns onto the road and slams into the bus. Okay, then what happens? Suddenly a motorcycle comes and crashes a bus. Okay, and then everyone was shocked. Everyone on the left side of the bus screams. Everybody in the bus starts screaming. चीखने लगते हैं. Understood? After they see a motorcycle crashing with the bus. 2 men get off from the bus and help the motorcyclist. 2 जन बाहर आए and they started helping the motorcycle वाला जिसने crash कराया था. They started helping that man. Okay. He is drenched. Understood? He is drenched but hardly scratched. Okay. You can see the meaning of drenched. Soaked in water. भीग चुका था. But खरोचने लगे. He was not getting scratched. Okay. An old lady started scolding him for his carelessness. An old lady started scolding him that you should not be so careless. Drive slowly. Understood? Because it is raining. So कोई आके उसे डांटता भी है. ठीक है? Understood this much? The bus crawls another inch. बस धीरे धीरे crawl कर रहा है. 1 inch traffic jam, no? Okay. Then suddenly the traffic starts moving. Understood? And slowly everything gets clear, and suddenly the bus reaches the fairground, and then the bus reaches a better place. Chinna's uncle Javadi unfolds his umbrella and gathers Chinna under it. Chinna's brother and 2 sisters make a dash for the main pavilion to watch the magic show. Understood? So Chinna's uncle, his name was Jabadi, he opens an umbrella and takes Chinna inside it, and 2 of the cousin brother and sisters of Chinna under it, and they started like crossing the road, okay, and then their cousins of Chinna के दो friends cousins थे, what they started doing, they started like saying, uncle please take us to the fair, वहाँ पे मेला लगा था, in the magic show, we want to see the magic show, please take us there, understood? He started saying like that. The magician asks a woman to write her name on a scrap of a paper. He puts that in a box, locks the box and asks the assistant to hold it. Music plays in the background as a young boy searches the magician's pocket. Abracadabra comes out of a piece of paper with the lady's name on it. Chinna's siblings squeal excitedly. Now there was a magic show going on. What happened in the magic show? A magician had asked a lady to write a name of her in the paper. The magician asked that lady to write her name in that paper and then put the paper inside the box and then locked that. Clear? And then the box, they started changing the box, okay, and then music plays in the background and then suddenly the magician said abracadabra bolta hai, understood, and then opens the box and that sees the name of the paper कि वो दूसरे बॉक्स में रखा था और दूसरे बॉक्स से निकल गया, understood. So seeing this everybody started clapping, understood. As they troop out of the pavilion after the show, they can see a crowd gathered around. Two men fighting. The crowd encourages them with hoots and cheers. When they hear the whistle of the security, the crowd disperses hurriedly. So after this, वो लोग बाहर आते हैं. जैसे ही बाहर आते हैं, what they see, that two men, they were fighting. And all the crowd around them, सभी चिल्लाओ और मारो, understood? They were hooting. You know what is hooting? To shout, understood? And jeers, understood? तो वो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे. And suddenly what happened? Security police comes and seeing the police, everybody disperses. सभी भाग जाते हैं वहां से. Okay. The rain stops and the vendors venture out. अब rain रुक जाता है. इतना भारी rain, it stops down. And vendors meaning vendors are the persons those who sell like क्या कहते हैं, फेरी वाला बैलून बेचते हैं, वो सब बाहर आने लगते हैं. ग्राउंडनट एंड जैगरी स्वीट्स, गुड़ के मिठाई, ग्राउंडनट बादाम की मिठाई, बैंगल्स, चूड़िया, पॉपकॉर्न, कॉटन कैंडी. यू हैव सीन ना कॉटन कैंडी, पिंक कलर, यू हैव सीन ना, वो एकदम कॉटन जैसा होता है, मुंह में देने से वो गायब हो जाता है, पिंक कलर का, मेले में आपको मिलता है. सो कॉटन कैंडी ये सब भी थे. Children run against the wind to make the colorful paper fans whirl faster. And children, they were holding the fan. You have seen the paper fan, no? गोल wheel जैसा होता है. And if you run, it moves. So children, they were playing. You can see the picture here also. तो बच्चे वो सब खेल रहे थे. Understood? Chinna's siblings run to the giant wheel. And Chinna के जो भाई बहन थे, what they did? They started calling their uncle to go to the giant wheel. You know the giant wheel, बड़ा सा गोल wheel होता है ना मेला में. तो चिन्नास के फ्रेंड वांटेड टू गो देयर, विच इज क्लैंकिंग लाउडली. क्लैंकिंग मतलब वो जब चलता है, यू हैव हर्ड दैट वॉइस, नो, दैट नॉइज विच कम्स आउट, क्लैंकिंग, इट इज नोन एज क्लैंकिंग. ओके. सडनली द व्हील स्टॉप्स, और बीच में जब रुक जाता है, then what happens? You have seen, no, that wheel when it stops, then what happens? जो ऊपर फंसे होते हैं, they start screaming very loudly. Understood? फिर व्हील चलते फिर रुक जाता है, फिर जो ऊपर वाले दूसरे फंस जाते हैं, they also start shouting very loudly. So this was going on in the fair. Okay. The adults on the ground scream louder. The wheel starts again with a huge screech. The wheel was growing like this. Okay. Chinna, Uncle Jabadi taps him on the shoulder. Chinna तो अपनी दुनिया में था. Uncle Jabadi, okay, he taps, उसके कंधे में बोलता है, चिन्ना देखो, अंडरस्टैंड. चिन्ना लुक्स अप विद अ वाइड ग्रिन. चिन्ना ऊपर देखता है. माय स्कोर इज 30,402. ही हैंड्स द फोन बैक टू हिज अंकल, स्विचेस ऑन हिज हियरिंग एड एंड लुक्स अराउंड. ओके. व्हाट डिड आई मिस गोइंग, वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ, ही आस्क्स eagerly. इसका मतलब चिन्ना was not looking these things. What he was doing? Chinna was playing video games in the uncle's mobile phone. Okay, and Chinna had missed this beautiful scenery. Chinna ने बोला, जैसे अंकल ने बोला वैसे Chinna said that my score is 30,402 uncle. And uncle looked at her and Chinna said that मैंने क्या मिस किया? So ऐसा होता है ना, you are so busy in playing mobile phones. Understood? आप बच्चे भी ऐसे खेलते हैं. Then what happens? इतना ज़्यादा मोबाइल में घुस जाते हैं that you miss everything outside. चिन्ना भी ऐसी थी. चिन्ना ने मोबाइल खोला, चिन्ना ने देखा, अरे मैंने क्या मिस किया. So these things we should not do. Okay, so this was the beautiful chapter. This chapter teaches us that we should never be too much like engrossed or focused in a mobile phone playing games. When we go outside, we should enjoy it. Okay, thank you. We are coming with the question answers, and then in this module हम लोग एक छोटा सा book ना, you have that book no, literary reader, we will go that book also in this video only. Okay, thank you. We are discussing the question answers of chapter 3 Chinna's World. So out here the first is to write true or false. The dog rescues all the 7 pups. Yes, true. Then the motorcyclist is killed in the accident. Motorcyclist accident में मारा गया था क्या? No, crash हुआ था. So false. The magician performs in the main pavilion. Yes, in the main pavilion. Main रास्ते में वो perform कर रहा था. The fight is in a part of the stalls in the fairground. Fight कहाँ पे हुआ था? Stalls के अंदर? No. Fight stalls के अंदर तो नहीं हुआ था. Next, number 5th, there is a plenty to eat in the fairground. Yes, there were many things to eat. Number 7, China is blind. No, China is not blind. China is deaf. Yes, it is deaf. China बहरी थी. China was deaf. That is why she had to put her hearing aid. लिखा है ना वहाँ पे पीछे देखो. Hearing aid लगाकर ही सुनती थी. Understood? So she was like kind of a deaf. And एक चीज में लग गई तो उसी पे लग जाती थी. So she was a deaf. वो बहरी थी. She could not hear. She had to put a hearing aid machine लगा के then she would hear. Question answers में आएंगे. Answer the questions in detail. Whom do the people on the bus cheer and why? People on the bus was cheer for the dog. Remember that dog? When she completes her final lap and manages to bring all her 7 pups to a safer place. People, they were cheering for the dog. What sight did China see? China missed the scene at the magic show. China ने magic show को miss किया. China missed it because he hadn't put his hearing aid. Because he had not put his hearing aid. He was playing a game in the phone of Uncle Javadi. Okay, uncle's phone all this while. Missed the magic show. Next, number 3. What sounds did China not hear? China ने क्या नहीं सुना? China missed the background music at the magic show. Background music did not hear. The squeals of the siblings. Squeal means shouting. The shouting of the siblings at the show. How they were clapping. He could not hear. The hoots and jeers of the crowd. वो crowd में लड़ाई हो रहा था. He could not hear that also. The whistle of the security. Security started whistling. That also he could not hear. The clanking of the giant wheel. The giant wheel was making noise. That also he could not hear. And the scream of the people sitting on it. That also he could not hear. Why he could not hear? He did not hear all these sounds because he was deaf. Okay. He needed a help of a hearing aid. Machine की ज़रूरत थी to listen the sounds. Okay. Number 4. Would you choose to be like China? To be like Chinna? And see, I also spoke China. So do you want to become like China? No, I would not like to become like Chinna because it is very difficult to be alive in such circumstances परिस्थिति ऐसी चीज़ों में life बेहरा many problem. So I do not want a life like China, okay, or Chinna. Next, question number C you can do as a homework if you want. Okay, so it is a drawing. Draw beautifully in your book. Read it. Question number D, leave it. It is a group activity. Then coming to page number 21. Okay. First one will be C. Okay, match the following. कैसे how to do? Question लिखना, सामने आंसर लिख देना. Option 1 का C का option whatever is there just write after it. 2 का is E. Okay, then is A, then B, then D. Then B1 is also same. Match the following. 1 will be B, 2 C, 3 D and 4 E, 5 and A. ठीक है, write down the question. सामने A का answer. And finally, you have the C part, that is your fill in the blanks portion. He has no milk at home. He has to make a dash to the nearest shore. Make a dash मतलब छटके से आना, ठीक है? Number 2, I watched the murder mystery movie with bated breath. दिल थाम के. The swirling water makes beautiful circular patterns. A gust of wind, push of wind. We all troop out of the classroom. ठीक है? So this was your question answers of your MCB.